So a lot of people always assume that their favorite influencers look amazing in the clothes they wear because they just have good bodies. But what if I told you that your favorite influencers probably working on their clothes and that's why they look perfect in every single thing? So today's video is a haul, but I'm gonna add a little twist to it. It's a STYLEWE haul. However, this video is more or less like how I got the clothes, how they looked on the site / how they looked when they first arrived, versus what work I had to do just to make it fit properly on me, just to show you how you can also work on your clothes, as well as, you know, the general view of how the site is and everything. Now this is a site that I had never seen prior to this, and when I first went on the site I was a bit overwhelmed because everything looked like it was a bit, you know, it was giving not real. We're gonna try them together and see if they truly fit. Now I've already taken some videos of how they came. Some of them I had to actually touch up on just to show you what I'm talking about. Now if you're new here, hi, my name is Samira, nice to meet you. Okay, if you're returning, however, welcome back, darling. You know how we do it. If you've not subscribed yet, please go do that, because over here we're a family. We are a cute family. We actually need a name, but that's not the point of this video. Right now we're going to try these on and talk about them. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. Take it slow, bring it back, let them know, bring it down to the first thing on my list is this green blazer dress. Now when I first saw this on the side, I was just like, oh my god, this is gorgeous. And then I got here, and then as you can see, when I saw it, I was like, this is not quite impressive. Like, this looks a bit bigger than me. One thing I should also add is that I got everything that I'm about to show you guys in the size small. However, once I worked on it, look at the before and after. Let me just tell me, what do you think? Now first of all, this is gorgeous. The color is absolutely nice. It does have like a bit of a plasticky feel to it. Not plastic, just rubberish. However, it fits really nice. You be the judge, okay? The before and after. Unfortunately, the sun is like screaming, so I can't even show you guys this dress properly, but this is how it looks like. This one has pockets. I forgot to mention that it has pockets. I don't think I like the pockets very much because of the pockets, it's like giving it a bit like of a sluggish finish, if you can see. But aside that, I think it's really cute. Can you guys even see? I'll wait when the sun goes down. By the time this video goes up, hopefully I would have styled it, and I'll add how I styled it as well. But this is how it looks before and after, and just let me know what you think about it. Does it make a difference? And all I had to do was just cinch in the waist. Sometimes all you need to do to uplift your outfit is just to cinch in the waist. And by the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do that. I will definitely be posting this here. Now this is the work I had to get done. I don't know if you can see the fabric. For someone like me who has I'm a bit smaller in the waist, so most of the time my things do not fit well. If you have that type of body, or if you feel like that, you just have to work on it. Like, you have to make sure that you have a seamstress at hand, because cinching your clothes in will change the game forever. This, in a normal circumstance, I would have taken it back. I would be like, okay, this is too big, I cannot wear it, it looks ugly. But once I did that, it came out so nice, so nice. So their clothes do run a bit bigger than usual. Like, the size small is like slightly bigger than the regular size small that I'm used to. However, I love this so much. The color, stunning. The fit, oh my god, absolutely gorgeous. Moving on to the next one. So the next one is this yellow top that I saw. I'll put a picture of it here and what I thought I was expecting, or what I know. Now unfortunately, I did not have to work on this, but I do have a problem with this so much. That is the fact that this part, the neck part, is a bit whitish. It's not like made for someone like me, if that makes sense. Now when I saw it on the side, it was looking very nice. However, I think it would look very beautiful on like a person with a lighter skin tone, or like a white person. It would be nicer if it was like my skin tone, because then it would look like my skin. And to be honest, I cannot put foundation on it too much. However, I love the yellow. If you know me, you know yellow is my color. The patterns and everything else is just stunning. I love the feel it gives. Like, it gives off this very rich auntie vibe. Like I mentioned earlier, can you see it's so different from my shade, so it's looking a bit crazy. Oh my god, the sun has gone down, it's better. So it's looking a bit crazy. Okay, aside from that, I love it. I think you can actually wear shorts underneath this and it will look so stunning. Before I was thinking I'll just wear it as a top, but now that I'm wearing it like this, I feel like if you add just some shorts to it, it's gonna be giving what it's supposed to give. It definitely has like a very rich auntie vibe to it, like I was saying earlier. Have you seen? It's so comfy, so luxurious, but not doing too much. I definitely think if you're light skin, this will look so good on you. I just don't like the fact that it's looking like a completely different shade from myself. But what do you guys think? Love it. Let me know anyway. I also like the fact that it's not doing too much. Like, you can just put it on if you've eaten too much. On days where you've eaten too much and you're not sure of your fupa and everything, this will definitely cover it. The next one is this pants. Oh my god, let me tell you something, right? This one, when I saw it, I was just like, oh my god, I have to get it. I need to get it. Now I'll show you a picture of it here so you guys can see. But it is such a stunning short. It's given, it's trousers, it's given like cargo pants, but not quite cargo pants. It's given like a classy rich pants, but like it has like a lot of things mixed, which makes me so happy. So when I saw that, I was just like, oh my god, I kept praying that it will come out and it will be the same thing. And guess what? When it came, it was the same thing. Okay. Ouch. The online versus reality was hitting. I love it so much. Now this is it. I had to cinch it in just a tiny bit because the waist was bigger than me. However, aside from that, everything else was just perfect. You guys, I'll show it here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But it looks so nice. The length is not so bad as well, because I thought it might be too short for me because I am a tall babe. I'm a 5'9", so sometimes the trousers be hanging. Okay, but this was not too bad. I think this one is like quite okay. It was supposed to come with like a blazer as well. I'll show you the picture so you guys will see, but unfortunately the blazer is still not here and I've been waiting for a bit, so I figured I'll just do it and show you guys the blazer if it comes later. If it comes before I upload this video, I'll definitely show you guys how the blazer looks like or how they look together. But this is definitely one of my favorites. And listen, if you want to buy anything out of this, or add this particular one, like it's something that you would definitely enjoy wearing. It's classy, it's unique, and it's not, you know, all over the place. You know, like this is the type of outfit that when you wear, everyone is gonna ask, where did you get it from? You get what I mean. Anyway, moving on to the next one. So the next one is this green dress. Now, to be honest with you, I don't know why I chose this one. Okay, I don't think I was in my right mind when I chose it. I'm gonna be honest. Okay, when I chose it, I was just thinking that, oh, it might be giving rich auntie vibes, but no, I think it's really big. I think it's giving big. You know, I don't know what is with me and green color now. Like, it's like, so all of a sudden green is blinding me from every other color. But anyway, I chose this as well. I think it's really classy. It has like a very rich auntie vibe to it, not gonna lie. Yeah, I like it. It's just that I'm not sure. I think I might have to put like a belt in the middle, because most of the time, regardless of how big my dress is, I like it when it's a bit cinched in the waist. I'll wear it so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But this is how it looks. It is long enough and it's very good for those days where you want to just take it easy. You don't want to like be doing too much, but you still want to look classy and stunning. Love it. Okay, and the reality versus the what I got, they're matching. They're looking like nice. Okay, all these outfits I've shown you so far are perfect for this summer. It's like just giving like summer vibes where you can just like chill, you like be looking classy as you go. Stop it. And last but not the least is my favorite one, you guys. I have to save this one for the last because this one took my breath away, not gonna lie. So this is how the dress looks like. I'll show you guys how it came, how I got it, versus how it is now and how it was on the side. This was very true to whatever was on the side. This is an absolute gorgeous dress. It is stunning, perfect for summer, perfect for the rich auntie vibe, perfect for just, you know, you showing how classy and sexy and whatever you want to look. I love this one so much. I love the floral prints going on. It's giving orange and pink. How will I style this? Definitely with like an orange bag or like a pink heel. It will slap so hard, you guys. Let me just wear this so you guys will see, okay? Because this one, also I had to work on this one a bit as well, because when it came, it was slightly bigger than me, which is like this, okay? So you see, I had to like hold it in just to make sure it fits me properly. Like I mentioned earlier, everything I've chosen here is in a size small. However, they are still slightly big, so I don't know, maybe if you're a medium, you might want to go for a size small for some of these clothes. Not all of them though, some of them, okay? Anyway, a big thank you to STYLEWE for sending me these. I really love them and I cannot wait to rock them. Now if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do that, because I'll be posting these there, okay? I'll be posting all these outfits. I'll be styling them nicely there as well, okay? Let me know which one is your favorite. Let me know which one you'll definitely be wearing or not wearing, and I would see you in my next video. And oh, by the way, I do have a promo code as usual. I don't make anything if you use it. However, you do get some coins off your clothes or off your buy, so please feel free to use them. I'll link it in the description box. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, I love you guys so much and bye.